What differentiates us on the residential side, we also do lumber and labor packages. If you're looking for a framer, or you're not currently trusting your current framer, or you don't want to manage the personnel aspect of your build, we do lumber and labor just as much residentially as we do on the commercial side. We've been working with these framers for 10 and 15 years and have great relationships, and really can manage that aspect of your home build. Whether you're a one-off home builder or you're somebody who builds 100 homes a year, we're ready for it. We've built with big builders, we've built with one-timers, we've built with the guys that do 3 homes a year. We have all across the board, and we pride ourselves on being able to service the small guy or the big guy. We can do any and all of that, and are very set up to do that. Residentially, we do more business on the residential side right now, dollar-wise, than we do on the commercial side, but we operate very similarly. We like to do the lumber and the labor on a job to control the amount of lumber in there. We don't want to just throw lumber all over and then go to the next guy, dump lumber, go to the next guy, dump lumber. We don't want to do that. We would rather be a partner. That's more satisfying to us. Plus, it gives us a good relationship with our builders. They trust us. After a while, they start to trust us when our estimates and takeoffs are pretty tight, when we manage a job well and build it within a good schedule, when we own up to our mistakes and fix them and move on. All this stuff creates relationships in the residential side as well as commercial, to be able to be a great partner to our builders out there. I'd rather have a happy customer than make a little job and make a little more and have an unhappy customer. When we make a mistake, that's really what distinguishes one company from another, is how you own up to it and move on. Instead of arguing about it, just rationalize what the issue is and come to a conclusion and move forward. When we make a mistake, we're going to own up to it, and you have my word on that.